Asampaetia Obanyansa fuso wo bunubia wanka na asam Zema futu sam kakre wa asupeme.
Land degradation and forest degradation is one of the major environmental issues in the world. This issue has reached an alarming state, and if steps are not taken to curb, will go a long way to destroy nature and also destroy our environment, leaving our future generation nothing. Land degradation is a process in which the value of the biophysical environment is affected by a combination of human-induced processes acting upon the land. Land degradation is caused by multiple reasons, including weather changes, human activities like overculturing, urbanization, and deforestation. These are some negative effects of land degradation: loss of soil structure, nutrient and soil salinity. These go beyond the loss of fertile land. It has led to increased population and sedimentation in streams and rivers, clogging these waterways and causing declines in fish and other aquatic species. Also, land degradation decreases the wealth and economic growth of the nation. As land resources based become less productive, food security is compromised and competition for dwindling resources increase. Thus, a downward social economic spiral is created when lands are nutrient depleted by unsustainable land management practices, resulting in loss of soil stability, leading to permanent change. Ways by which land degradation can be reduced: integrating land and water management to protect soil from erosion, salinization, and other forms of degradation. Also, protecting the vegetative cover, which can be a major instrument for soil conservation against wind and water. Forest degradation is also a major environmental issue which needs to be addressed. Forest covers about 30% of the planet Earth, and the ecosystem they play creates an essential role in supporting life on Earth. Deforestation is clearing Earth forest on a massive scale, and if steps are not taken to curb, the world rainforest can completely disappear in 100 years. Why should we? Deforestation increases the speed and severity of global warming as citizens of the nation. Forestry and agriculture are responsible for about 24% of greenhouse gas emissions, making deforestation a contributor to climatic change. Deforestation increases the speed and severity of global warming. Forest serves as a habitat for over 80% of plants and animals that lives on land. But deforestation as a contributor to forest degradation destroys this habitat, diminishing biodiversity. The negative effects of deforestation are not irreversible. We can reduce or prevent the effects by planting to replace or prevent lost trees. Combating deforestation can help us prevent further loss of biodiversity. Somewhere in the eastern region of Ghana, in a town called Jibi, lies a forest, a process that leads with the provision of water for over 5 million Ghanaians directly. This forest is called the Etiwa Range Forest Reserve. The Etiwa Forest represents 33% of the remaining closed forest in the eastern region of Ghana and covers about 263 kilometers square. According to the 2016 Etiwa Economics of Ecosystem and Biodiversity report, the economic value of the Etiwa forest includes Animal and plant species, $12.4 million per year. Land for cocoa, $9.3 million per year. Water for agriculture, $3.1 million per year. In the reserve, Etiwa has 323 tree species, 83 shrub species, and 155 lianas and climber species, 22 epiphytes, and 5 grass species. The forest has unique animals including insects and various types of snakes. This makes the forest unique. The Etiwa forest is under a serious threat from gold and bauxite mining. Gold mining is estimated at an average net revenue before taxes of $2.2 million per year. This is far lower than the value of any of the goods and services delivered by Etiwa. Illegal mining on the Etiwa forest covers about 5,365.71 hectares of land. The scale of illegal mining is higher than legal mining in the Etiwa forest. The rivers that gain their major supply from the Etiwa forest are all under threat due to this illegal mining and logging. This is a forest we cannot afford to lose. Working together, we can bring this forest reserve in a pathway of sustainability for the future. This forest reserve can be preserved and used as tourist site for tourists all over the world to visit. Let us come together as citizens to protect the environment for future generations.